In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view the last modified date and time in Google Drive, a step-by-step 2025 tutorial. Whether you're organizing files for a project or simply trying to keep track of your latest edits, knowing how to find this information can be incredibly useful. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open Google Drive and sign in if you haven't already. Upon logging in, you'll be taken to your Drive homepage where all your files and folders are stored. Now, navigate through your Drive to find the specific file or folder you're interested in. If you're not already in List View, you'll want to switch to this format, as it makes seeing modification details much easier. Once you're in List View, direct your eyes to the Last Modified column. This is your go-to spot for finding the precise date and time when your document or folder was last altered. It's a straightforward way to quickly scan all your files and identify those that have recently changed. For those of you who require a deeper dive into the details, there's an easy way to get more information. Right-click on the file you're interested in and select View Details from the menu. This action opens a detailed panel on the right side of your screen, providing you with more than just the last modification details. Here, you'll not only see the last modified date and time, but also who made the change. This can be particularly helpful if you're collaborating with multiple people and need to keep track of contributions. Also available in this panel is the creation date of the file or folder, offering a snapshot of its historical context within your Drive. One quick tip: if for any reason the list view or right-click options aren't displaying correctly, it's often helpful to refresh your browser or try accessing your Drive from a different browser. Sometimes these simple actions can resolve any temporary display issues. Another useful trick is to familiarize yourself with Google Drive's search functionalities. You can search by file type, owner, or modify dates, which can often speed up the process of locating what you're looking for. And there you have it, the comprehensive method to check the last modified date and time on Google Drive files. Keeping track of these details can greatly enhance your ability to manage and organize your digital workspace effectively. Thank you for watching and happy organizing. Remember, mastering these small tasks can save you time and boost productivity in the long run. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more productivity tips and tutorials.